Somebody got naked in the pool.
We went for the cocktails. Oh, I almost forgot that part. Yes, I did. That's how I got this awesome hair this morning.
Short little trip today, about 20 miles. We're gonna come out of here and up into there. Short little trip. True wind speed of 0.01 knots. So I think we're motoring today. In the calm, clear waters, we saw a dolphin pod coming in from afar. We've seen plenty of dolphin pods, but because the water was so calm, this one was special. It wasn't too much later after the dolphins, we were headed right by the world-famous Cloudbreak. Professional and experienced surfers flocked to this place like a surfing mecca. Being a surfing enthusiast, Chauncey was especially excited. Well, that was pretty cool being able to watch the surfing, guys. What do y'all think?
I think that was phenomenal.
Yeah.
Cherry on top.
Yeah. Are you gonna come try and surf this later?
I don't know, maybe.
Cloudbreak's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
When we attempted to leave Cloudbreak, we found out our anchor was stuck.
does it again.
It was just caught under a rock, and actually by the time I dove on it, it was already free. It was just a short distance away to one of our favorite places in Fiji, Musket Cove Resort and Yacht Club, where we picked up a mooring. With the mooring secured, it was time to head in. It's our first real pool day in a while. You excited?
I am.
I think everybody's excited.
I mean, they're already in there.
Let's get in the pool.
Let's get in the pool. So what we've realized here is that we have two nurses
And a doctor, like
Oh,
your basket.
really?
Yeah. Two nurses and a doctor, which is the perfect combination for. So we need to extend that.
We're really good at handing him the instruments and taking orders.
That's funny. She's not very good at taking orders when I'm giving them.
Only when you're in the captain.
Yeah.
We're not on the boat, maybe.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello.
Not a bad place to watch the sunset.
Look, there's sunset beds.
I know. Let's get on. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button and we'll bring you more content like this.